Hello, children. Are you there? Good evening. Yeah, hi. Hi, Persia. How are you? Tell me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, children? Good evening. Yes. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. Then, how you are enjoying your holidays? How are the plannings and all? Where people are going anywhere to the vacation or in the same place? Or are you there? Any special place or in your home? Can you hear me? Come and join fast children. Come and join. Today we'll discuss the this one new this pattern of CBSE of 10th standard class 10 new pattern and a new circular. We'll discuss about the new circular of CBSE. Good evening. Good evening, Jason. I couldn't get it because of the net issue. That's why. Okay, good evening. Okay, yes, yes, okay, okay. Don't worry. Okay, we'll do more revision. I know that. We'll do more revision. Nothing is there. Hmm? Okay, what I thought is something like the board questions will take and practice. Okay, before that, you have to know about the pattern. What is your pattern? This current 23-24 pattern, and how much marks, how much percentage marks is allotted for the competency based questions, and something like it is given by the CBSE. Okay, so we'll see that and your pattern and your new one question paper, sample question paper also given, so I'll discuss about that. Okay. Hmm? Then we'll do some questions on the board questions of this real numbers, only few questions, only that much time we'll get, so only that is a discussion. Okay. So may I share the screen. I'll show you the new circular. That is what is given the last year. What is the comparison between the last year's and this year pattern? Okay, pattern is same only, no change for the pattern. But the difference is that some percentage level increase for the competency based questions. Can you hear me, children? Can you hear me? Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Okay. So may I share the screen? Yes. Okay. Now it is 7:28. I'll share the screen and show you the new circular and what is given there, and we'll discuss about that. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can chat me in the chat box. Okay. Doubts you can ask me. Can you say this? Okay. Now say this is a circular rough. It is you will get in the website of CBSE. Okay, you will get in the that is www. Children, you have to check always the website of CBSE www.cbsc.in. Okay, nac.in. So that website you can check it, and on the new circulars will be this is the circular which has come on 6th April 2023. Okay, 6th April 2023 regarding your this is some academic circular. This is some academic circular. Okay, now see this here. Here, this one. Central Board of Secondary Education. That is the changes for class 9 to 12 to 2023 to 24 year and board examination are as under. Changes. What are the changes they are going to make? Okay, CBSE is going to make. What are the changes? Now we see this here. Can you see this? The circular. Okay. And ninth and 10th, it was in the year of 22-23, it was like this academic session 2022-23. Competency based questions are 40 percentage in the form of multiple choice questions, case based questions, source based integrated questions, or any other type. Okay, 40 percentage they are given as a competency based question from your question paper. And you know that what are actually question paper, the question paper contains question paper contains actually 80 marks, right? 80 marks. Out of that, 20 marks your internal based paper. Okay, internal based 20 marks you will be getting for the internal marks. This 20 marks, you know that that is 10 marks. What are the sections? 5 marks for the PT1, PT2, and PT3. Okay, period test, that is for 5 marks, and 5 marks for the subject enrichment, and another 5 marks for the portfolio, and this multiple assessments, and likewise. Okay, 15, and then 5 marks for the portfolio, 5 marks for the multiple assessment. What are they? 5 marks for the PT1, PT2, and PT3 will take the best of. Okay, best of PT1, PT2, and PT3, and take the average, right? Then 5 marks for the portfolio, 5 marks for the multiple assessment, and 5 marks for the subject enrichment. Subject enrichment, you know that what is subject enrichment? You are writing some record work and some experiments you will be doing. That is the subject enrichment, right? Then a portfolio is everything. We can take all the best performance of this multiple assessment, then subject enrichment, etc. Okay, portfolio is something different. Multiple assessment, you know that what are the multiple assessments? Depends upon the school. Okay, exit card we can take. Then many assessments are there. Okay, teachers will be deciding that. So multiple assessment depends on the teacher. Depends on the many assessments are there. Okay, any teacher can decide it. What are the multiple assessments? So multiple assessment 5 marks. Then 5 marks for the PT1, PT2, PT3, and 5 marks for the subject enrichment. That is compulsory. Subject enrichment. Your maths records, maths experimental works for the 5 marks, right? And 5 marks for the this portfolio. Okay, total 20 marks you will be getting from the by this internal marks. 20 marks. Okay, 20 marks. Remaining 80 marks. Okay, so the circular is regarding your 80 marks written examination. Okay, pen and paper written examination, board examination. This one. Ninth and 10th. So competency based 40% it was in 22-23, 40% competency based questions. Last year we have seen that competency based questions, that is case based questions, it is given some assertion and reason type questions we had given something like that. So only 40%. Now you see this time it's academic session 23-24. It is competency focused questions in the form MCQs, case based questions, source based integrated questions, or any other type 50 percentage. Do you understand? 50 percentage, the board will be asking 50 percentage of this competency based questions, some case based questions, source based questions, something will be given in the paragraph and you have to write from that, and something case, some case will be described there and you have to write, so you have to find out some questions, some answers from that case based questions, some case will be there, so you have to find out some answers from the case. So that type of questions, then source based, some sources will be there, everything will be given. So everything will be given means not like the primary children, that such paragraph and you have to choose and write, not like that. Something will be there, some formulas you have to apply. Okay, you have to understand from which chapter, which concept you have to understand according to the concept based. Sometimes you want to apply the formulas, sometimes some logical thinking will be the, according to that you have to find out the answer. That answer must be in the, what is that, in that bracket, multiple choice questions. Okay, so 50 percentage it is a competency based questions in the form of MCQs, and case based questions, source based integrated questions, or any other. Do you understand? So last year we had asked about this 40 percentage, only 40 percentage. Now this year 50 percentage. Okay, last year you see this, previous year, that is 20 to 23 objective questions are 20 percentage. Okay, now this year it is a select response type questions MCQ 20 percentage, and constructed response questions, long answer type questions 30 percentage. So 50 plus 20, 70 percentage, 50 percentage competency based questions, 20 percentage your multiple choice, that is select again multiple choice questions, and now only 30 percentage the board will be asking this short answer, long answer type questions. Do you understand? The previous year, in the previous year 20 to 23, 40 percentage were short answer and long answer questions. Now this year it is only 30 percentage, you will be getting this long answer, short answer type questions. Okay, do you understand? So this is what I have to explain. What is your new curriculum? What is your new circular, which is regarding your academic session 20 to 23? Okay. So more competency based questions you can expect. That's what, more competency based questions in the sense, case based question. Case based questions are actually not difficult. Hmm? So previous year question paper, it was some questions were difficult. But you have to make thorough practice. Don't worry, I'll be giving the case based questions in my channel. So we'll be doing that. Okay, all the this board based questions we'll be doing, and we will solve all the. Don't worry about it. We'll do it. But you know this pattern. Okay, you have to know this pattern. This is for the board questions, right? Board question paper it will get. This is for the 9th and this is for the 11th and 12th standard children. So this one, okay, understood? Okay, do you understand? Any doubt is there? You can ask me. If there is any doubt, you can ask. If there is any doubt, you can ask children regarding this pattern. Okay. If you want, I'll give the link in the description box. So if you can see this. Okay. You can see this and you can read it. Now, what is next for us? Next time, I would like to show you actually this question paper, board has given. That is actually based on the last year, previous year question paper, same type of question paper. Mm. Again, I think I have seen that one more question paper will be there. If it is 50 percentage competency based question paper, one more question paper will be there. I think so. That is during the December or October, November, December, they will be giving another question paper. Now, as of now, we have one question paper, board has given for the 23-24 pattern. Okay, 23-24 students. I'll show you that. That is, yeah. And one more thing, children. I would like to show you the syllabus. What is the syllabus given for 23-24? Syllabus, it is actually, see this, 54 percentage remembering and understanding. Some you cannot understand this one, only application based 24. Okay, 24. Analyzing, evaluating, creating, etc. 22, total 100 marks this way. 80 out of 80 this way it is created. Percentage of this remembering and understanding 43, and out of 80 43 marks. Okay, out of 80 application oriented 19 marks, then analyzing, evaluating, and creating 18 marks. This is the board pattern 23 24. See this mathematics standard question paper design. Standard and basic also I think the same thing, but they are given standard here, basic also. Two types of question papers are there. Do you know that if anybody want to go for the basic, that also you can select this year. Okay, you can, that is anyone is not going to select next year you can, if anyone is not going for the maths is a major subject, like if you want to go for the pure science actually no need of maths. Okay, no need of maths. Pure science in the sense physics, chemistry, bio, these three. If you want to take only this one, and if you want to take the commerce branch, or this one humanities, you can take the basic. Okay, but if you are really want to go to the engineering stream or the maths oriented, like any other, that is if you want to take the maths as the main branch, that is physics, chemistry, maths. If you want to select your this 11th stream like that, 11th standard stream like that, you must take the standard paper. Okay, standard paper, that is you have to take standard, otherwise you will not get entry for the 11th standard, the mainstream for the maths. You will not get, right? So two types of maths are there this time: standard maths and basic maths. Hmm? So those who are those who are little bit poor, that is very poor, that is I cannot do maths very well, like that, those children can select this basic. Okay, so children, last year basic question paper was actually very easy, basic question paper. But the thing is that their case based, it was a little bit tough. But you know that CBSE will not be giving full mark for any. That is a little bit we have to take some struggle will be there, right? So there only I could see that only the what is that, the case based question was a little bit tough for the this basic children. Okay, otherwise everything was, there is 12 marks, it was really tough. I would say that 12 marks it was tough. Okay, out of 80, 12 marks it was tough. That is the three case based question, actually it were tough. So only that when others except that this what is that, except that case based, everything was really easy. So anybody can score mark in that. If you want, if you are very poor in maths, if you are thinking that I cannot score good mark in maths, so that's why board has created two types of patterns. Either child can go to standard or basic. Okay, if they are very they are feeling difficult in maths, they don't want to select standard. Standard will be little bit easy, little bit difficult. Standard. Okay, standard is really, it will be not, we cannot say really. It is the question paper will be like this. This way they will frame the question paper. Okay, standard question paper, that is remembering, understanding 43 marks, application 19 marks, then analyzing, evaluation, creating 18 marks out of 80. This type of the question paper will be creating like this. Okay, this for the standard. And now you know that internal marks assessment 20 marks. Board has given this the circular. Mathematics standard question paper design. How it will be the question paper design. And then internal assessment, you see, pen paper test 10 marks. Okay, 5 plus 5. Portfolio 5 marks. Then lab practical portfolio, that is multiple assessment and pen paper test and multiple assessment. Multiple assessments and what else? The PT1, PT2, PT3. Hmm? Some schools are conducting half yearly and taking the marks. So that it depends upon the schools. Okay, but actually PT1, PT2, PT3, three examination will be conducting by the school, and they will be taking taking out of 5. Okay, that is PT1, PT2, PT3 will be taken to this 5. They'll be converted to 5. That's why pen, paper, test, and multiple assessment. Multiple assessment 5 marks, and pen, paper, test 5. That is PT1, PT2, PT3. Okay, so total 10 marks. Portfolio. You know that all the that is the best one. That is best out of these three. We are selecting all the best one and making it as a portfolio. Your academical achievements we can add, everything will be the portfolio. That is 5 marks. Okay, then lab practical, that is practical for mathematics, it is the practicals activities we are doing, that is 5 marks. Okay, clear? So 10, 5, 5, then total it is 20 marks for internal marks and 80 marks for this board. Clear? If you have any doubt, please you can ask me. Hmm? Is it clear, this one? So this is what I want to show you. Okay, so it's not like the last year question paper. It's not, some changes CBSE made this time. Some changes. Okay, some changes are there. Now I'll show you the question papers. Okay, which are sent by the CBSE. That is the beginning of this academic year, children. After that question paper, this one came. Which one? Which was, I was showing you know that circular regarding the percentage of competency based questions like that. Okay, so first beginning of the year, CBSE was giving this question paper. Okay, sample question paper 2023-24, right? This one for the basic children, okay, for the basic children, sample question paper. Can you see this, this one, maximum marks 80. And now see the it is like the same year's question, same year what they asked for the previous year 20 to 23, same model they have been given here. That's why. The same. That is, see this. The question paper has 5 sections: A, B, C, D, and E. Then section A has 20 multiple choice questions carrying 1 marks each. Section B has 5 short answers. Then type, same type. You can take. You can see the previous year question paper and check it. What is the design? What they are given for the 20 to 23. Same pattern only they are given. Okay, same pattern only. Section B has 5 short answer questions, that is short answer, that is 5 questions are there, then carrying 2 marks. Section C has 6. Can you see this, children? Section C has 6 short answers. 6 short answers, then it is 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks, each one carrying 3 marks. Section D has 4 long answers, then 5 marks each. Okay, long answers carries 5 marks, each one carries 5 marks. And section E has 3 source based questions. This is what I said, case based questions. 3 questions, that is 3 questions are there, each one carrying 4 marks. Okay, each case based question carries 4 marks. Do you understand? So this is what CBSE has given from the beginning. Okay, right from the beginning it is given, this one. Mm. So this is the pattern. Is a pattern. Section A, you see this. Section A, here you see 20 questions. Okay, 20 questions, section A. Okay, so 20 questions, section A. There 19th and 20th one. 19th question and 20th one. Actually, it is the assertion and reason and assertion based questions. Okay, this is also a competency based question. Okay, then here section B 2 marks. See 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay, then section C, listen, section C 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and in between you can see that choices are there. Okay, in between choices are there, see. Then till 31, actually 3 mark questions. Section C contains 3 mark questions. Each one carries 3 marks, right? Now section D you can see this question number 32, that is, this is 5 mark question, each one carries 5 marks. Section D is not based on case based questions. Section E is only based on the case based questions. Okay, section D is this one. 32, 33, 34, and 34, 35. These are, which is this the section D. Each one carries 5 marks. Okay, each one carries 5 marks, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Do you understand? 5 marks. Now, section E, you see this, section E, competency based question. This is what CBSE told, that 50 percentage competency based questions will be the section E. You see this, case study 1. This is this year basic question paper, section case study 1 and case study 2. Case study 2, case study 1, it is from AP chapter, case study 1. Okay, case study 2, it is from the coordinate geometry, case study 2, right? Then case study 3, it is from the application of trigonometry. Three questions are there. But children, previous year what happened is that till now, what is in the this one, this model question paper, this sample question paper, that is in the year of 21-22, board has given the same pattern. That means I'll tell you, I'll explain. Here, case study 1, what they are given, which chapter they are given, it is from the arithmetic progression, right? It is from the arithmetic progression. Then case study 2, what is they are given, it is from the coordinate geometry. And case study 3, what they are given, it is from the application of trigonometry, right? So three questions in 21-22, in the year of 2021-22, same type of question they asked. CBSE was asking same type, that is case study 1 was from the AP. Likewise, say what they are given in the question paper, sample question paper, the same pattern they are given in 2021-22. Okay, but what happened in the previous year? Everything changed. It is not. It's not. It was not like the this model question paper. It was not like the model question paper. Okay, one question was from the surface areas and volumes. Another question was from the another chapter. Okay, everything they have changed. So some children, no, they felt difficult also because something like they have changed the pattern. Okay, they change the pattern, like so what the children thought, actually all the almost all the this board questions, all the model questions, they all the model questions were prepared upon this pattern. Okay, there is case study will be on this AP, and case study 2 would be on this which one, this coordinate geometry, and third one. So what actually all what we can say, that even teachers also thought like that, because 21-22 they have repeated the same pattern. So what will be there, sometimes 22-23 also will be like that. So so actually we thought that actually it will be like this, but continuously we were talking about that, you have to see that one also you want to check. But mostly we thought that everything, children also thought like that, everything will be like this. Case study will be the same chapter they will ask, but it was not like that. Okay, so this year what you want to do is, you don't study like that, you don't want to follow like this. You study, when you're studying for the case study, you study from all the chapters. Do you understand? Case study, you see that all the check, take your questions from the other chapters also. Don't depend on this chapter. You got it? Did you understand what I'm telling? Don't go for only this chapter. Here, arithmetic progression given, but you can take other chapters also. You go for the surface areas and volumes, and you go for the this quadratic equations, and other chapters, right? Real numbers and all the chapters. You practice that also. Then you can score good mark. That's what I have learned from the previous question, from the previous year. Okay, I have learned a lesson, that is children should not be going like that. So every day I am also learning something. Okay, I am also learning something. Children also should prepare in another way. Okay, so you have to prepare this way also, understood? So this is a basic question paper. Now I'll take the standard question paper and show you what is the pattern. Okay, any doubt in this? So any doubt you can ask. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Now you see the standard question paper. This is the standard question paper. This year question paper. Okay, this year sample question paper. You see, section there is class 10, section 23, 24. This mathematics standard. Okay, 23, 24. See, this one. Same type only. Hmm? That is here section A is 120 MCQ, section B is same type, no doubt at all, same type they are continuing, same type. Section A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19, and 20 till 21 mark question MCQs. Okay, multiple choice questions, multiple choice questions. And section B, you see section B consists of 5 questions of 2 marks, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. Okay, and section C, you see this up to 25 you will be getting 2 more questions. Okay, section C 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, up to this till 31 you will get what is that, you will get the 3 mark questions. Okay, section C, each one carries 3 marks. Okay, now section D, you see section D 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. This is section which one? Section D, section D 5 marks, 32, 33, 34, 35. Each one carries 5 marks. There also you can see option C 34th question or questions given. Okay. Section E. Section E 36 to 36 to listen. See this 36 to 38. Okay. So each one carries how much mark for this? Each one carries 4 marks. Section E consists of case-based questions. One case will be given like this, and you have to find out these answers. One, two, three. Three answers will be there. So you have to find out the answer. Okay. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? This is what I want to show you, children. That's why I have told that I will discuss this one. Hmm? So you see that, you see and check it. Then again, anything? Okay. Okay. So this is the board question paper pattern. Okay. So what's the time now? 7:56. May take some questions, some important questions, 3 questions, then we'll wind up. 3 or 4 questions. Now your standard question paper itself, you see this in your sample paper, standard question paper. You see this one. Shall we check this? Real numbers. What are the questions from real numbers? We'll say this. Section A. Okay. Section A. What are the real numbers? What are the questions from real numbers? If two positive integers A and B are given as x cube y square and B is equal to xy cube, where x, y are prime numbers, then the result obtained by dividing the product of positive integers by the LCM integers by the LCM AB is. Hmm? How will you do this? Section A. Okay, this is a standard question paper I have taken. Sample question paper 23, 24 sample question paper. First question it is given from the real numbers. Okay, we have learned about the this regarding this LCM and HCF, right? So here one number we are given A is equal to x cube by square and B is equal to xy cube. A is equal to x cube by x square and B is equal to xy cube. So what will be the LCM? Anyone give me in the chat box LCM of these two numbers A and B. LCM of A and B. Anyone please give me the answer. LCM of A and B. Give me in the chat box x cube y square and xy cube. What will be the LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Can you say? Anyone give me? Give me the chat box. Can you say this? What will be that LCM? A is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube. So you take this x cube and x. What is the least common multiple? Common multiple LCM. Okay, x cube and x. If you are taking x cube and x, is it visible, children? Am I audible to you? Is it visible? Okay. A is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube. So x cube and x. What is the least common multiple? X cube. Y square and y cube. What is the least common multiple? LCM y cube. So the answer is C. Okay, LCM you want to find out LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. So among A, x cube and x, it is x cube. Okay, least common multiple. Common multiple. Here x cube is x into x into x. Here x. So x cube. Here y square and y cube. So which one is the least common multiple? Y cube. So x cube, y cube will be the answer. Okay, this way you find out the LCM. This type of question, this is actually last year question paper also, it was like that. One question was the first question, it was given like that, same type of question. A is equal to x cube y cube and b is equal to xy cube. What is the LCM? Okay, what is the LCM? And what else we are given? This is from the third chapter, linear equations. Okay, linear equations in two variables. Then here, what is from the first chapter? I'll take one question. What is the another question which is given there? Yeah, see this. 21st question. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Okay. So here it is given 2 marks, but always it will be in the 3-mark question. Okay. Always it will be in the section of 3-mark question. That is, it will be in section C. I don't know why they are given in 2 marks. Okay. So this time sometimes the question paper will be changing. So here what is given, the root 2 is an irrational number. We have to write that proof. Irrational number proof. Okay, you know that we are I have taken from the last class, root 5 is an irrational number. If you want, you can see that previous video and you can check it how we can prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Okay. No, this is from the first chapter, real numbers. Okay, now what else we are given? Any other question? You check it. Any other question from this chapter? Nothing. This is from 28th question from the this one. Linear equation two variables. How many such numbers are the linear equation two variables? Then this is from the statistics chapter. Then any other question? Nothing. So only that is given from the real numbers. Okay, only that question is given from real number chapter. Okay, so this way. Okay, any doubt, children? If you have doubt, please ask me. I'll explain that. Hmm? So I'm going to wind up this. I know that all of you are in vacation mode. I know that, but still, you see this. You keep in touch with the maths. Okay, always I'm telling you, practice makes the man perfect. So you keep on practice maths. You see the why I'm showing this question paper. You have to motivate towards the maths. Then you see that you just relax on your vacation. I am not telling that you just study always. Not like that. Minimum 1 hour you sit and learn maths. That's what I want to say. Okay, minimum 1 hour you just spend on maths and the practice. Then you can score good mark in maths. Even in holidays, during holidays also, don't leave your maths. Study, 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 study. Then only I'm telling only 1 hour. 1 hour is study maths. What is there? Minimum 1 hour is study maths a day. Okay, so I'm going to wind up, children. So next class I'll be coming with this one because 1 hour it's over. So next class I'll be taking the this one board questions. Hmm? I have taken these questions today itself. I have actually I made it ready, all the questions, board questions, everything. But no time will be there. It is 8:06 already. I have entered here late, right? So 1 hour I have planned. So go through that. It will be in the link will be there. This question paper link and circular link will be there in the this one description box. You can see that. Okay, clear. Okay, clear then. Okay, then bye. Bye, children. Bye. 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 Bye.